Pixellab from the start to the finish. Then the course also show you how to manipulate background, how to enhance your image quality, and how to do several things. So the course is just 5,000 naira only, and the course is available on Seller. So you can check the description of this video to join to get the course on Seller. Or you can as well, if you're within Nigeria, you can as well write me up on WhatsApp. Then you can also get the course from me direct from WhatsApp. So let's just download this coin. So the choice is all yours. If you wanna grow as a graphic designer, or you just want to stay at that your level. Now in this course you're able to know how to manipulate background, how to enhance your image, how to work on your flyer after designing your flyer to make it actually pops out. So the whole thing is all we are here for motion blur. So all you need to do is to tap on motion blur. Then when you tap on motion blur now, this surface will come out. This surface will come out. But we are not here for that surface. Now come again, tap on this place. Tap on this place. Then now what you need to do now, this place now that you're seeing distance now, if you see, if you increase the distance, the angle here will also increase. So now you increase the distance. As you're increasing it, your coin is actually changing. Are you seeing? Your coin is actually changing. So you increase it according to what you want and how you want your this thing to appear. Now if you notice, you will see that our coin have changed. Our coin have given us that 3D vibe. Okay, this is a project I was working on before now. So let's just open it. Maybe let's just use a white background. Okay, let's import it first. Are you seeing? So you can easily just place it somewhere around your design, and that blur effect, that motion effect will actually come out. So guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next video.